Good day guys, and this video is about it, the battery indicator which is on every automotive battery. I'm talking about good or a particular automotive battery. This is from SF Sonic. It comes on Excite battery, which I had owned earlier, but currently I'm using this battery, and as you can see, there is something, a green color. From a particular height you can see it. I cannot tell how much it is visible, or are you familiar with that, but it is used to look and tell about the battery condition. Currently it is green, and if you do not have multimeter, by simply looking at it you are particularly sure that your battery is in good condition or at nominal charged. If you have your multimeter as I have now, I will show you what it means. Okay, so black goes to black, and red goes to red, and this is the correct voltage of a battery. Okay, a good battery will show you like that. If you look at here in your battery and you see white, it means needs charging, and if it is red, it means add water or add distilled water. If you have a coin, okay, so you can open it from here by like a screwdriver placed on a Phillips screwdriver, like, and you just twist it open anti-clockwise and it opens, and carefully lifting it up, because sulfuric acid is on there, so I should not have touched it bare hands, but just to show you I will do it, and by careful, so you see something clear, means needs charging, and now green, and now red means add distilled water, because it is completely up to the level that water cannot touch it, or the acid cannot touch it. You can see the plates of the battery, okay, lead plates. So I put it down, and if you sit close, it have balls, pellets like, and according to the specific gravity of the acid, these balls lift and goes down, and now the green ball is on the lowest level, but when the gravity of the battery is good, or when it is good condition, the ball will come up, and we will see the green color, and if it needs charging, it will show white color like that, and if it needs distilled water, it will show red color. Okay, so this is how it works, and you can use it when you are cleaning your car or cleaning under the hood. You just take a glance on it, and you can determine what it is going to tell. Okay, some of the times it is a good tip that these battery terminals are go loose. You keep tightening them, and they do not tight. So what I have done, the same problem was on me. What I have done is that I have put aluminium foil between the terminal and this particular housing, this particular pin. Okay, so the aluminium foil fills up the void between the two, and you will get a good connection. Battery becomes easily damaged because of the loose connection, and you do not get a proper self. and your battery will also degrade very quickly. And also you need to routinely or monthly clean out your terminals. You can avoid the acid buildup here by using petroleum jelly. I am talking about Vaseline. Do not use grease. Vaseline is best, and for cleaning the acid buildup here, you need to open your terminals, open this, put out, or open it, use some warm water, lukewarm water, spray it on that using a spray gun, or what hairdressers use, that thing, and sprayer, and it will be wiped off. Do not use sandpaper, because it will degrade that. Okay, thank you guys.